I'm creating this little instructional video so that you'll be able to put images in your signatures in Gmail because at some point in time, Google stopped allowing us to do that. Now, it is a little bit of a workaround, but I think if you stay with me on it, you'll be fine. And before I do that, I just want to make sure that you also have this YouTube address right here in the screen. So it's youtube.com/watch the letter V like Victor equals number 2, M like Michael, U, R, capital F like Frank, capital C, small f, the number 3, this small letter E, O, capital Q, the ampersand, small t equals 8, 5, and the small letter S. In fact, why don't we do this right now? We'll just grab that whole thing. Let's copy it. Let's go out here to Bitly. If you're not using Bitly, you might want to think about doing that. So we go to Bitly, and then we say create, and we're going to paste that long email here with Command V, and say create, and now we have it. So you can customize that if you want. Let's see if we're allowed to customize it by saying G image. That would be nice. All caps, G image, save. Aha! We're able to use that. So now all I have to put in is bit.ly/GIMAGE. And the reason I want you to have that is because this person did a fantastic job on walking you through that whole process. And that's the only way that I was able to get through that process. Just exceptional. So if you want to know how to do it, here's how we do it. First site you got to go to is this site right here, which is photos.google.com. And after you have gotten a photo and have uploaded it, which you would do by going to upload photo, add to album, and then make new, you want to share. So let's say we picked, let's pick this little image, right about, let's do this one right here. So it's our real estate company. So once you've uploaded that, you go here. It says share, but you go here and you get link. Now you hit copy, so you've copied that link, and then we're going to go to a new site after that. After that, we're going to go to this other site where they have embed code. So the site is ctrlq.org. And what we will do there is that then we will go to the top of the page and paste right in here what we just copied, then say generate code. So now we click code, it's getting the image. What you're doing is hosting the image on a website so that you can embed it into your email signatures. Okay, so here we want to copy this, which starts with HTTPS. So triple click on a Mac, Command C. Now we have it on our clipboard. So what do we do then? We go back into our email and we say we're going to compose an email. So let's get rid of all of our email signature for now. And we're going to say, this is where I want the image. And then you're going to put your cursor here and come down and click on the insert photo. Now up here you're going to click on the web address, not on anything else, just the web address. And this is where you're going to paste that URL, and it appears like that. Then you hit insert, and voila, it is there. Now you can, if you want, let's open it up a little bit. You can leave it like that, or if you choose, let's see, what do we have open here? Text, I guess, is open. Yeah. If you choose, you can say smaller, or you can pick something in between if you want a different size to where you want it. Now the trick is you want this always to appear as a signature. So we have to save that. So we're going to go over here. Let's open this up so you can see it. Open up. And we are going to go to canned responses, not insert, but we're going to create one. So we scroll down, you can see I have a few. And we're going to go under the save here to the bottom where it says new canned response. We're going to hit that and give it a name. So we're going to call it Delaware. That's our real estate company here in Delaware, Delaware Homes. Logo, signature. Now I could put a lot of other information around that, but for us we're just going to do that. Okay, now let's get rid of that. And here's what's going to happen. We open a new one. That's my default, so I'm going to get rid of that. And all I have to do now is go here, canned images, and here it is. Bam, just like that. It has taken me months to figure this out, so I'm so excited to share that with you. And when you have cool images like that, you can have very robust canned responses. I'm a CRS instructor, so I have one just for all the courses that I teach, just like that. I don't have to write it every time. What I can do is just change this, change that, maybe move this down a little bit. That's one thing I can do. I have the real estate company, so we go canned responses here, and we go to Delaware Homes, and that's how it looks all formatted out. It's always there. What I'm doing is hitting Control A, backspace to get rid of the default. I can go in here. I want to put a picture of our youngest. There's little Jackson. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. It's helpful for me, and I am so pleased to be able to share that with you. So good luck. If I can help you in any other way, let me know. Thanks.